Just a fun fact here, you can see this is a part of a spider web, sort of backlit against the sky just to make it easier to see. You can see bits of the web in the bottom. This is from a golden orb spider, and you can actually see all the dead insects, all the carapaces, the shells of the insect in the middle. And the big spider actually uses those as a camouflage for her own protection, so that she's more difficult to find for parasitic wasps or spider hunting, what should I say, and birds that could take off the web, but also potentially makes the web more visible. But the interesting thing is the little spiders on the left and the right are not the same species. These are actually very shiny. You can see sort of silvery color, and they're called dewdrop spiders, and they are parasites on the web. They basically live free of charge. She doesn't worry about them too much because they're small and insignificant, and they tend to eat all the little bit of scraps and the smaller insects that she couldn't be bothered with. So they pretty much steal food items from her web, and hence the term kleptoparasites. But they are dewdrop spiders, little pointed drops of bodies. The abdomen's pointed like a drop of dew, and of course it shines as well, so it's usually a silvery color.